Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is a collaboration with Nail Addiction. She's amazing. I'll leave links to everything, her social media and her YouTube channel, in the description box, and you can go check her out. So that's a picture of mine and her set, and this is hers. She did some press on nails. I just did mine on my flexi hand. The only thing we had was we just said that we wanted to do a winter theme. So yeah, I'm just coming in here with Nail Vision's Pacific Seas, and this is a gorgeous colour. I don't think it's picking it up on camera, but it's got like a blue shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's beautiful. So I'm just applying a full nail of that, and I'm using my CJP Liz Gill brush. And then I'm just coming in with Nail Vision's Oceans Apart and creating sort of a marble effect on this nail. And then just apply some glitter over the top, which is called Diamond Dust. Sorry, I had to think then. Diamond Dust from Sparkle Supplies UK. I'll leave a list of products in the description box anyway, as usual. And I will leave any discount codes that I've got as well. I do apologise for my croaky voice, I'm still not quite right. I don't know what's going on, it's taking me forever to get better. But hopefully I'll be better in time for Christmas. I hope everyone's ready for Christmas now. It's not far away. It's got to come around so quick. It's scary. So I think I've got one more video to upload. It's just a little mini clip. No, I've got 2 videos to upload after this. I've got one of my one-to-one training session, which is going to be like over an hour long, so you don't have to watch that if you don't want to, but the lady that I did the training with wanted me to upload it so she can view it back as well, so that's why I'm uploading that one. And I've got just a little mini one of a nail tip that I did. And then that'll be it until after Christmas, I think. So yeah, I'm just coming in here with peacherbel shimmer. God, I can't get my words out. Peacherbel cover shimmer from Glitterbels. And I'm just applying that at the cuticle and fading it down. I want full coverage over like the nail bed area, and then I'm not too fussed about the tip because I'm just going to come in here now with some glitter, and this is Tropic from Sparkle Supplies UK. It's a gorgeous multi-mix, they're so easy to work with. And it's got like silver hollow pieces and like turquoisey blue hollow pieces as well. It's gorgeous. I did have some feedback on some of my videos, and somebody asked me if I could zoom in a little closer over the nails, so I've tried to do that today. I hope it's a little better for you guys. And I've also filmed each nail and then stopped recording and then filmed the next nail, if that makes sense, so that you guys can see it better, so I can zoom in on each one, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going in here with peacherbel cover shimmer again, and I'm just creating a little like swoosh colour block, if that's what you call it. So it's sort of a similar method to doing a reverse smile line, only I'm just doing it over one side of the nail so that I can go in with my next colours around it. You'll see what I mean anyway. And then I didn't quite feel like my wall was high enough, so I just went in with a little bit more, just so that I've got something to put that next colour up to, and so that my apex is in place as well, because the colour powders and that I'm not going to cap because they are strength powders. It's just literally the glitter that I cap. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But yeah, I'll leave links to Leosa's Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube in the description box. That's Nail Addiction, who this collaboration is with. Go over and check out her video, show her some love from us, and yeah. So I'm coming in again here with Pacific Seas, I think that's what it's called. I'll double check everything anyway before I put it in the description box, so you've got the correct information. And I'm just putting that colour up to that block that I've just done. Trying to keep it as neat as I can. Obviously went on the skin a bit there, which you shouldn't do, but it's only a practice hand, so it doesn't matter. And then I'm just creating that wall again with my brush. And usually when I do colour blocks, I go in and file to refine it. On this I didn't, and I feel like I probably should have, because it wasn't as perfect as I'd liked it to be. But at least now I know for next time, just go in and file it, so I'm happy with it. Just thought I'd try and see how it worked out with my brush. I do faff with colour blocking as well, a lot. Trying to get the shape right, and yeah, I'm a nightmare. So now I'm coming in with Oceans Apart again. I'm just creating the next colour block. And by the cuticle there, I didn't quite get right in, like at the side. So I do make a bit of a mess of this, but don't worry if you do that, because when you file it, it'll come back through anyway, so you don't need to worry. I do apologise if you can hear background noise as well. Just my partner's on his game and you can hear it in the background. I do apologise. So yeah, there we go, there's the mess. But don't worry about that, because when you file it, like I say, it'll come through anyway. And if you do file a bit too much, you can always go over with the clear to put your apex back in place. So I'm going in here with that glitter again. All I do is literally dip into my monomer, dip into my acrylic powder, my clear, pick up a tiny bead, which is, I've seen me do it plenty of times before, dip straight into that raw glitter and place it on the nail. Mix it around and put it where I want it. And then I've just put some clear over the top there. I am going to cap it again anyway, but just to hold it all in place. And then the pinky finger, I'm just going to do the same as the ring finger. And the little snowflakes that I'm adding are also from Sparkle Supplies UK. I think they're really cute. Excuse the state of my nails as well. I am a working nail tech at Christmas. I have not had time to do my own. That's kind of focus a bit here. Sorry guys. And then I'm going to do the same on the thumb, I think. And then I'll go in and cap it all with glitterbels glass slippers I'm using today. Just thought I'd give it a try. My preferred system is CJP, but yeah, I thought I'd give glitterbels a try. So yeah, I'll just let you watch the rest of this video, but don't forget to check out Nail Addiction's channel, which I say will be linked down below. All products and everything will be linked down below, along with any discount codes. If there's anything that you want to see from me, if you've got anything you want me to do in the new year or anything like that, just pop it in the comments and I'll try and get it done for you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Have a great Christmas, guys. Thanks for joining. Bye.
Car. Bike, no, it's on me. He's flying into the zone over there. Oh no, he's pulling up on the right. Yeah, mate. Yeah, just trying to find a bit better cover, mate. Car. Buggy pulling up. Yeah. He's with me. Right, we've stopped because there's the buggy. I can see him. The 25 small hut. Knocked one. Whoa, to the right, he's flanking.